Hi everyone, Rita here for another Additive Manufacturing video. When you think of 3D printing or additive manufacturing, what physical materials or material classes pop into your mind? Well, it seems that most people tend to envision, these high-performance polymers and metals or metallic alloys. But believe it or not, metals and polymers are not the only fellas invited to the 3D printing party. Yeah, actually, a fairly large panel of materials and feedstock compositions can be 3D printed today to produce complex and functional parts and products. In fact, the list of available materials for additive manufacturing technologies is gradually getting longer and longer. And this is obviously good news for the additive manufacturing industry from the angle of adoption of this additive process within new sectors and activities. In this edition of Additive Manufacturing, we're going to cover about 100 of materials and feedstock compositions that are suitable for one additive process or another. You can use this video's content as a kind of mini catalog in which each material is being represented by a specific part or a product from both academia and the industry.
In the next 7 minutes, we're going to cover various material categories and application fields. To access a large selection of materials, 103 items to be specific. And just before we start, this is how we're going to organize these data for each of these items or materials. The 3D printed part or product is displayed in the center of the screen with a few relevant pieces of information beneath it. I wish you good luck if you think you could read it all without any pausing of the video. Aluminum alloy, stainless steel, maragin steel, titanium, nickel, magnesium, cobalt chromium, tungsten chromium, inconel, Cantor alloy, copper, bronze, silver, gold. Modulus is a 3D printed titanium spinal implant developed by NuVasive and optimized for the right porosity for bone fusion. The main body lattice of Modulus was designed in a way to ensure it was fully porous. PLA, ABS, PC, PC ABS, ASA, PVA, ABSI, PET, PPSU, PEEK, Ultim, PEC, rubber-like edgeless, TPU, wax resin, Kevlar composite. Rollo is a bicycle wheel that filters out pollution on the go. The current model is made up of 3 parts, the tri-wheel printed with nylon and 2 rims printed with ABS. This product is not commercially available and is still in development. Silica, alumina, zirconia, alumina and zirconia, silicon oxycarbide, TCP and zirconia, silicon nitride, aluminum nitride, hydroxyapatite, clay, barium titanate, silicon carbide, carbon, diamond composite. Coral carbonate is a research project that involves 3D printing with calcium carbonate to create sustainable underwater houses for coral reefs and marine life to grow. The project intends to facilitate the restoration of coral reefs, one of the most vulnerable ecosystems on Earth. Carbon fiber, CF. CF reinforced PLA. Glass-filled PLA. CF reinforced PEEK. CF reinforced PEC. Carbon nanotube PEEK. Glass-filled nylon. CF reinforced nylon. Kevlar reinforced nylon. Nylon 6. Nylon 12. Wood PLA. Wood crane composite. Wood concrete composite. Propylene geopolymer mortar. Glass aggregate concrete. This bridge is 3D printed and measures 26 meters in length. It was designed by Professor Shu Waiguo and colleagues from Tsinghua University and built using two robotic arms to deposit the layers of concrete. Thanks to 3D printing, there was no need for steel reinforcement bars, which are required with conventional techniques. Silica-based glass. Soda lime and borosilicate. Borophosphosilicate. Fused silica glass. Aluminophosphate glass. Arsenic sulfide chalcogenide. Metallic glass alloy. PCl nano emulsion ink. Titanium alloy. Gelatin alginate hydrogel ink. Gel-based ink. Nanosilicate clay-based bio-ink. Pigda hydrogel. Hydrogel bio-ink. Silicone rubber. Living stem cells ink. Nanocellulose-based bio-ink. Gel matte gelatin. Cell-containing spheroids. Bioprinted tissue. Liquefied dough and ingredients. Vegan beef stick. Health ID-based mixed nutrients. Personalized supplements. Milk-based ink. Bovine stem cells. Plant-based vegan-friendly ink. Belgian dark chocolate. Plastic waste. Algae-based bioplastic. Plastic waste in ocean. Mixed glass waste. Mixed food waste. Local and natural materials. City plastic waste. Leftover orange peel. Are you still curious about what other materials can be 3D printed? Well, here's a recommended review paper if you'd like to learn more about materials for additive manufacturing, additive building technologies, and future trends and applications in the field. Finally, I'd like to point out that the featured list of materials in this video is by no means designed to be exhaustive, but rather to give you an idea about the range of material selection for additive manufacturing. Thank you for watching, and see you in a future episode of Additive Manufacturin.